You can't turn around these days without spotting an electric vehicle. General Motors is currently investing $35 billion in EV production, moving all their new vehicle production to electric. By 2035, there are even electric 18-wheelers on the road already. To date, property owners either must invest a very large amount of capital, or they have to give up all of the recurring revenue generated from charging units, from permitting to ensuring existing electrical wiring and breakers can support the chargers. Installing an EV charger can be an extremely cumbersome process for customers. Because of this, customers have been slow to deploy charging units at commercial locations. Moda Systems' electrical charging solutions with Oppuous make EV charging easy and profitable for customers as quickly as the first year. Built-in digital advertising makes units profitable even when no one is charging. Moda offers charging solutions with no upfront cost, ensuring customers can deploy solutions even with limited budgets. Included installation and support ensure the customer can keep making profits year after year. From hotels to hospitals, gas stations to universities, restaurants to sports fields, and even shopping centers or office buildings. Moda Systems has the expertise and solution portfolio to take you into the next generation of transportation. For more information, reach out to us today at info@oppuous.com.